As I saw by the title, we're doing the first and last stop. We're doing 7th Trim right now. We at 34th Street. Just gonna walk around and shit. Scroll around some buildings. Got the West Side Highway right here. We got Pier 76 right here. And then over there, if you can see it, it's fucking New Jersey. This is the M34 bus. That shit goes Crosstown. I'm done walking around here. I'm about to go to Main Street now. We got the Q65. We got a Maximum over here and shit. They got a Merc. We got the projects right here. We got shopping centers around here. Like mad shopping centers. We got City Field where the Mets play. But they got Regal over here. Before I end the video, this is the last number train. If y'all want me to do letter trains, comment down below which one jersey and I'll do it. I'm done with the video, so like and follow if y'all want to see a black man one.